Never split the difference, negotiating as if your life depended on it. By Chris Voss and Tal Raz. Chris Voss, a former FBI hostage negotiator, shares powerful negotiation techniques based on psychology, tactical empathy, and emotional intelligence. Unlike traditional tactics that rely on logic, Voss emphasizes understanding human nature and using it to your advantage. Key principles with examples. 1. Never split the difference. Avoid compromise. Compromise often leads to bad deals. Instead of meeting in the middle, aim for a solution that works best for you. Example: if you're negotiating a salary and ask for $80,000, but the company offers $60,000, don't just settle for $70,000. Instead, justify your value and find creative ways to get closer to your goal, such as extra benefits, bonuses, or a performance-based raise. Tactical empathy. Understand and influence emotions. People make decisions based on emotions, not just logic. Show that you understand their concerns and perspective. Example: if a customer says, "This price is too high," instead of arguing, respond, "It sounds like you're concerned about getting the best value for your money. What's most important to you in this deal?" This makes them feel heard and opens the door for productive negotiation. 3. Mirroring. Repeat the last few words. Mirroring encourages the other person to talk more, giving you valuable information. If your client says, "We just don't have the budget for this," you respond, "You don't have the budget?" This makes them elaborate, often revealing hidden flexibility or alternative solutions. 4. Labeling. Acknowledge their emotions. People want to feel understood. Label their emotions by saying, "It seems like," or "It sounds like." Example: if a coworker is upset about a deadline, say, "It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed by the workload." This reduces tension and makes them more open to discussion. Kasnev. 5. The Late Night FM DJ voice. Use a calm, slow tone. Speaking in a slow, calm voice makes you sound more authoritative and reassuring. Example: when negotiating a difficult contract, instead of sounding desperate, say slowly, "Let's find a solution that works for both of us." 6. Get a no instead of forcing a yes. People resist being pushed into saying yes. Instead, make it easier for them to say no. Example: instead of asking, "Can we move forward?" ask, "Would it be ridiculous to explore this option further?" This makes them feel more in control and willing to negotiate. The "that's right" moment. When the other person says, "That's right," it means they feel understood and are more likely to agree with you. Example: if a business partner is hesitant about a deal, summarize their concerns. You want to make sure this partnership benefits your company's long-term goals. When they say, "That's right," they become more open to working with you. The accusation audit. List their objections first. Bring up their potential objections before they do to reduce defensiveness. Example: if you're negotiating a rent reduction with your landlord, start with, "I know this might seem unfair and you might feel I'm asking for too much, but I'd like to discuss a lower rent due to market conditions." This lowers their resistance and makes them more receptive. 9. The Black Swan Rule. Look for hidden information. There's always unknown information that can change the negotiation. Look for it. Example: during a salary negotiation, ask, "What challenges is the company facing right now?" You might learn they are short-staffed, giving you leverage for a higher salary. Just 10. Use anchoring and loss aversion. People fear loss more than they want gain. Set a high starting point so the final deal feels like a win for the other person. Example: if you're selling a car worth $10,000, start by asking $12,000. When you agree to $10,000, the buyer feels like they got a great deal. 11. The 7 to 38-55 rule. Body language matters more than words. 7% of communication is words, 38% is tone, and 55% is body language. Example: if you say, "I'm happy with this offer, but look tense," the other person won't believe you. 12. Use calibrated questions. How or what questions. Instead of making demands, ask questions that guide them toward your solution. Example: if a vendor raises prices, ask, "How am I supposed to justify this increase to my customers?" This puts the pressure back on them to offer a solution. 13. The no-deal mindset. Be ready to walk away. The best negotiators aren't desperate. If the deal isn't right, walk away. Example, if a job offer is too low, say, I appreciate the offer, but I have other opportunities that align better with my value. Let me know if anything changes. They may come back with a better offer. Final takeaway. This book teaches you how to negotiate using psychology, emotions, and smart tactics rather than brute force or logic alone. Whether you're negotiating a salary, a business deal, or even personal matters, these techniques will give you an edge.
And now, we have reached the end of this book. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support us and stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next one.